Good morning and welcome to another First for Driving Systems designed to help you pass your test quicker, easier, and also save you money. These lessons work in conjunction with your in-car driving lessons. Really, they're a little bit of pre-help so that before you do each driving lesson, it's a good idea to have a look through these to get an idea of some of the basics. Today's topic we're going to look at is roundabouts. Roundabouts are very, very complex, and this here is just going to show you some very simple things about the priorities. Roundabouts don't all look as simple as the one ahead, but we're going to try and cover some basics. Approaching roundabouts is just like approaching a junction. On the approach, it's the usual routine, your mirror, signal, position, speed, look. You don't need to go into that. Turning left again would be your usual mirror, signal, position, to the left, etc. routine. Looking at the difference here though, it is about priorities. When you arrive at your junction, or before you arrive at your junction, while you're moving, you're looking to the right, looking to your right to see what's coming. Now this is done well before you get to the roundabout. If you can, start looking. You're trying to look for a gap in traffic, ideally. But just to start off at the moment, looking to the right. Is there a vehicle there? Because the highway code tells us that we give way, or we give priority to the traffic coming from our right. So there is a blue car. Now, in theory, they have the priority over us, and we would allow them to go first. We would need to wait for them. Likewise, there's another vehicle coming round, and they're far enough round the roundabout to be a threat to us, to be a problem for us. So we would also give them the priority. So we would wait for them to come around the roundabout. Look at their signals, look at their positions, use all you can to sort of ascertain where it is they're actually going. And sometimes it can be very confusing. And like everything, if in doubt, wait. But here's our vehicle, it comes on round, we would simply wait for it to go, off the vehicle goes, down the road, and then we would be able to go ourselves. And if we're turning left, we would simply follow them down the road. Okay, so again, we wait for them to go, they pass us, and then we can just follow out. And off we go. Similarly, just the same as if we're going ahead. Actually works exactly the same. We're looking into the road, what can we see? There's a vehicle there, we would give priority to them. Vehicle coming around the roundabout, enough of a problem for us to give priority to them, so we would wait for them to come around the roundabout. Here they come around the roundabout, and once they've gone, it gives us an opportunity to go. Now, on the approach to a roundabout, when going ahead, we don't need to put a signal on because we're going ahead. However, once we pass the junction before the one we want, in this case, we're looking to take the road ahead, the second exit. Exit number 1 is to our left now, and we're ahead, we go ahead at exit number 2. When we pass that junction, the point of no return into junction number 1, we're taking number 2, we would then place our left-hand signals on. Mirror center, mirror left, checking there's nothing down that left-hand side, making sure nothing's crept up on us, signal to the left, and then off we go into our junction. So past the point of no return, mirror, mirror, signal left, and then carry on into our junction. Look at turning right. Okay, so here we use a right-hand signal, looking just the same as we did before, looking for those priorities. And when we're happy that it's safe for us to go, on round and roundabout we go, right-hand indicator stays on, we are taking the turning right, the third exit, counting from the left, 1, 2, 3. Carry on with the right-hand indicator until we've passed the exit before the one we want, the point of no return, which is exit number 2 here, and transfer mirror, mirror, signal to the left. Now, in theory, you're trying to do all of this whilst on the move, and you'll gain experience. Start off slow, start off approaching roundabouts slower, give yourself a chance to look at them, assess where the traffic is. As you get more experience, you will learn this quite easily, and it will come. That was the basics of roundabouts. You can find more of these at the website firstodriving.co.uk. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll speak to you soon on the next ones. Thank you very much. Bye for now.